Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to hide folders in Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, I will create a folder, so right click on it, go to the new option and click on folder. Here write the name of the folder which you want to hide, so just like I will write folder to hide. Press enter. Now right click on this folder and click on properties. So once you are in properties, then on the top you will see the general option. Click on this general option. After that, at the bottom you will find an option hidden, so you have to enable this option. Click on this option and then click on apply and then click on OK. Here you can see the folder which we created is now hidden, so we can't search for it or find it over here. But now if you want to view the hidden files and folders, just click on view at the top of your screen and then go to the show option. Here you will find the hidden items option. Click on this option and now you can see the hidden folder is visible. And if you want to hide it again, just click on view and then go to the show option and then again click on hidden items option. And here you can see our folder is hide. So guys, in this video we saw how to hide folders or files in Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.